Good morning, traders, and this is your Dax day trade setup for today. So we ended up with a pretty strong green bar that opened on its low and closed on its high. That's a very good indication that the trend is very strong to the upside. We are coming up to this previous double top. We've got a lot of interaction here, a lot of inside bars, nothing else. Okay, so that's pretty much what we're looking at the moment. Then we have an all-time high here, which would be the next level. So there's been no let up. The trend is very strong to the upside, and you should still be looking for longs. Continue looking for longs, I think, is the story of the DAX right now. So very strong uptrend at the moment. Okay, so the 3 hour we got this inside bar, which was a bit of a warning bell. But basically what happened was the Dow got over all-time high, then had a pullback, and then had a bit of a short rally again. So I do suspect we are aiming for 13,200 at the moment. That's pretty much the area we're looking for. Don't know if we're going to get a half-decent pullback, because this is a very strong uptrend at the moment. Okay, so nothing really on the hour. What we're looking for is fractals. Okay, so there are two fractals. Fractals the upside, and this is not a fractal. Okay, we need a third bar, so we need another bar up here for that to become a fractal. So at this stage, this is the fractal to the downside, that's fractal to the upside. So what we're looking for is if we get a break of 13,112, in other words, we need a break and a close of 13,112, then we have a move to the downside. I'm not entirely convinced we're going to get a strong move to the downside, because it may just bounce off the lower part of the alligator. If I look at my oscillator is telling me the consolidation is almost over, and I should be looking for a break to the upside, and that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. So even if we do break this, I'm not looking for a short, not at all. Okay, so what we'll be looking for is some kind of structure. There is structure here, you can see. So then I just keep looking for structure lower down. And for me, structure will be quite simply anything, any of these tails here. Okay, the top of all these bars will be structure. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for some structure, or I'm looking for this break here of 13,135, and I am looking to target 13,200. Okay, that's a nice 170 point trade roughly. Oh, sorry, 60 point trade. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. It's short and sweet. There's no reason to be looking for shorts at all. This to me looks like consolidation. And you can see there was a trend, broke through, tested it, moving up at the moment as well. So for me, long it is, looking for long. So I'll be looking for longs at a break here. If we do break below this level of 13,112, then what I'm looking for is look to the left and look for structure. And you can see on the 12 minute, you'll see lots of structure. Every inside tail is structure. Okay, well, that's kind of my view at the moment. If we look at the 12 minutes, 12 minutes is kind of had a bearish crossover, bearish and a twist. So it is possible, and we also oscillators back in a selling area. So it's very possible that we need there's a little bit more downside coming. But again, I'm really not interested in taking any shorts at the moment until we have a higher time frame change. Half hour is still bullish. No reason to be short. 1 hour is bullish as well. We do have a bit of divergence here, but look at the oscillator. It's starting to group in a buying area. So that to me is just a consolidation. And if you look at the 4 hour, bullish, 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 we are flat and we are quite far from it. So you would expect some kind of a pullback, but I'm not entirely convinced just yet. Okay, even if we do break below this 4 hour pin bar, which would be a trigger, you're pretty much only looking for a short little squirt down to any one of these levels here, and then an opportunity to get long again. Okay, and if I look at the daily, both Kijun Tickerton pointing up, Cloud pointing up, Chickers Band pointing up. There's no warning bells on the daily. This is a solid uptrend, so any pullback is what you're buying. Okay, anyway, guys, that's my view at the moment. Only looking to buy and looking for opportunities to buy. And I hope that helps. I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.